You're watching EDS TV. If the camera had just left the house 5 seconds later, this would have ended up much worse. I hope he bought a lottery ticket after this because I sure would have.
Oh!
Who's blowing like that?
Just a regular douchebag trying to see if he can get away with a felony. Nothing new here. He was even shaking his head at the end of the clip when he was caught. Scumbags like him deserve to have their license revoked. The other driver unfortunately was uninsured. The camera didn't have uninsured motorist coverage, so unfortunately he's out of luck. The car needs 4 months in the shop. I'm guessing, but they are either A, on their phone, and or B, have no clue where they're going. The traffic was moving slow. It looks like the camera slowed to almost a stop to let the truck in. I'm sure that the motorcyclist wasn't paying attention. First car cut in front from the straight lane because they couldn't be bothered to just make a left at the next light. The second car couldn't miss the turn into a restaurant instead of turning in at the upcoming light. This bum slashed the camera's tire and then threw a rock that dented his door. Judging how the other car was untouched, this seemed like an act of jealousy towards the Tesla. Even his dog was like, WTF, man.
You're ready for me.
He's gonna go in. Whoa, Jesus.
That was a pretty good recovery. I'd say it was more luck than skill, but great job either way. Speeding up to escape the embarrassment is always funny to me. Don't worry, this idiot will end up an amputee or in a wheelchair. He's already this impulsive. If he's at this rate, then he's going to push it and end up in a body bag because he messed with the wrong one of these days.
We'll let the customer work out the bugs. That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, I almost got sideswiped.
I almost got sideswiped. Why do you have so many incidents? What was that noise? Is that your horn?
Yeah. And then she's road raging.
We, as a culture, need to bring back shaming people. He must show the camera that he's the boss at all costs to ensure his pickup truck manliness. Not only do they litter, but they ding the camera's car while looking directly into the camera. This dude has no excuse to not know that there wasn't a Tesla dashcam. If this was in California and the driver and the other driver had collided, the camera would have been the at-fault party. You have to yield to any vehicle that was already legally in the intersection when the light changed.
Oh,
I never understood why it's so hard for people to read the signs here. They say exactly what lane to be in. The ramp to Route 3 is always a mess.
So, I heard that Usher's gonna be doing his thing during the Super Bowl halftime.
That was beyond red. The semi didn't even hit the brakes after coming off the freeway. Absolute insanity.
damn it.
This uninsured driver fled the scene after crashing and breaks multiple laws in the process of fleeing. The only thing I could suggest from the peanut gallery is to not ride in the blind zone of the bigger vehicles. My approach is, I'll back off and wait for enough room in front to accelerate safely and then zoom past. If anyone can decipher the plates, please comment them below. The camera was a victim of a hit and run and needs the plates. I can read out 6C7 or 6G7 for the first three, but please give it a shot if you can.
Yeah, I'm about to get on VQA, so I'll be there very quickly.
Okay.
Oh,
thank
wow,
you
someone
for
just
doing
went straight... Wow! Wow, someone just went straight through a red light. Man, people are driving crazy tonight.
So is this a traffic light program to celebrate Christmas? The other driver tried to say it was the camera's fault for quote-unquote speeding up. Thanks to dashcam footage, his story is quite hilarious, and I'm sure insurance will find it hilarious too. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.